Uber and Lyft are part of daily life for millions of people. But what happens if you're involved in an accident with a rideshare driver? Who is responsible for the damages? Their insurance? Yours? The driver's personal coverage? It's not always straightforward, so let's break it down. Just like any other auto or truck accident, your first priority is safety. If anyone is injured, call 911 immediately. Even if the accident seems minor, it's important that you get a police report. The report serves as an official record of what happened, and it can be crucial when it comes time to filing a claim. Next, you'll want to gather as much information as possible. This includes the rideshare driver's name and contact information, the make, model, and license plate of the vehicle, the driver's insurance details, and whether they were actively driving for a rideshare company at the time of the accident, any passenger details, if applicable, and then contact information for any witnesses. The rideshare driver's status at the time of the accident matters because it affects which insurance policy is going to apply. If the driver was off duty, their personal insurance applies. If they were waiting for a ride request, Uber and Lyft provide limited liability coverage. If they were actively transporting a passenger or on their way to pick someone up, rideshare companies provide up to $1 million in coverage if their drivers are at fault for the crash. This distinction can make a big difference when determining who's responsible for covering damages. Remember, documentation is key. Take photos of the accident scene, including the vehicle damage, the road conditions, traffic signals, your injuries if they're visible. If there are witnesses, get their contact information. Witness statements can help establish who was at fault, especially if there are conflicting reports about how the accident happened. If you were a passenger in the rideshare vehicle, report the accident through the Uber or Lyft app. The company may follow up with you for additional details. Don't talk to them until you've hired an experienced auto accident attorney. If you were another driver involved in the accident, you should notify your own insurance company. However, before submitting a recorded statement or accepting blame, first consult an experienced auto accident attorney. Rideshare accident claims can be more complex than regular car accidents because there are multiple insurance companies involved. The driver's personal insurance possibly, Uber or Lyft's insurance, and maybe even your own insurance provider. Determining who pays for what can be challenging, and insurance companies might try to deny or limit claims. An experienced auto or truck accident attorney can help ensure you receive the compensation that you're entitled to for medical expenses, lost wages, property damage, and your pain and suffering. If you've been in an auto or truck accident with a rideshare driver, whether as a passenger, another driver, or even a pedestrian, you have rights. Let's make sure you get the compensation you deserve. Call our team today for a free consultation and let's get going on your case. Follow us for more legal tips. If you have any other questions about auto or truck accident injuries, comment down below. YouTube thinks that you're going to love this video, so check it out next.